Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar.
Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? So today is a Tuesday and I am getting ready to install my hair. I'm actually so excited because I feel like this is the first type of this wig that I've ever put on my head. So today I'm going to be installing a wig from OMGHerHair. If you follow me on TikTok, you've definitely seen it already. I posted an unboxing. I'm going to post an install video. So if you follow my TikTok, you must have seen it somewhere. But this is like a 360 lace. This is like a 360 lace. I've never in my life put a 360 lace on my head, but we're gonna figure it out today. I don't know if I'm going to do the actual back because the type of cornrows that I have might not allow for that, but I mean the option is there. Okay, the option is there. If you click into my description box, you will see the option to have a 360 lace. I mean, it's giving Pondo season, it's giving Pondo era. If you're not familiar about what a 360 lace is, it's basically, you know how a frontal is just the front? A 360 lace goes all the way around your head. This wig is beautiful. It came pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's basically ready to install. And what's crazy is my hairstylist actually didn't have time to pluck and do anything to a wig, and I was like, I've actually got the perfect wig. I've actually got the perfect wig for us to get started with. So we didn't have to do anything. I'm literally showing you guys a wig that we are literally putting on straight from the box. Like when I tell you she's on her way right now, because today we're doing a house call, she's on her way to install this hair and it's literally going to be straight from the box. So if you are interested in this wig, I will have everything you need in the description box below. I'm excited because also today I'm going to an event with L'Oreal. So I actually need to be slaying, and I'm going to be slaying because my hair's gonna be done. My hair's gonna be done. My hair's gonna be done, and it's gonna be freshly done. On top of that, like I would have just done it today. So yeah, all right guys, love you loads, and I will see you during the install process. Mwah. Okay guys, so like I told you in the clip before, April, my hairstylist, had to end up coming to my house, and we were literally, it was very unexpected, this whole install. So the fact that we were in a rush kind of showed me that this wig is for the girl that's on the go, because we did not have time to pluck, bleach, or anything this hair. When I tell you that we had to take it out of the box and put it on my head, I mean it. And I'm so glad that on this day I had this hair from OMGHerHair, because I have installed hair from OMGHerHair before. I've worked with it, I've played with it, and I will say that this hair never needs to be plucked. This hair never needs any work. So if you are investing in hair and you don't trust yourself to not mess up the bleaching, not mess up the plucking, if you've balded a wig before, I recommend that you try OMGHerHair's units, because not only is the lace HD, not only do they have different variants of lace, like they've got 13 by 4, they've got 13 by 5, they've got 13 by 6, they've got 5 by 5, they've got closures, they've got glueless. There's so many different variants of wigs that you don't need to do any work to. All you need to do is cut the lace and glue it on if it's not glueless, and if it is glueless, all you need to do is cut the lace. That is it. So this hair in particular, she was just telling me that it was a bit plucked, to where if we had just put it on the way it is, we were going to see the stocking cap. So she ended up just cutting a little bit of the front off, just so that it could sit comfortably on my head and it didn't need to be super close to my eyebrows. Then we used the 𝗕𝗟𝗏 to install the hair. I say this all the time, but I think I always need to say it, that I don't ever use real glue. I always use 𝗕𝗟𝗏. So yeah, with this hair, just some details about this actual hair. This is 20 inches of 𝗕𝐸𝐞𝐞 hair, and this has a bit of a texture to it. So I feel, in conjunction with how natural the hairline looks, I really, really like the texture. It looks really good. It straightens really nicely, but also if you have the hair on and it's a bit humid, I wanted to show you guys. Sorry, I just wanted to show you guys how good the plucking is. For the fact that we didn't do anything, beautiful. So yeah, this hair, I've had it on for a bit, and I've got some humidity right now in my hair. If you know, it's summer in South Africa right now. So the curl kind of comes back a bit, but it's just more of a texture, not necessarily a curl. So I do recommend this for somebody who's just looking for a very natural look, that's not looking for something super sleek, super shiny, I think this is a great option. It straightens very nicely, so it can give you both, So yeah, this is her straightening the hair, styling the hair. I wanted a bust down middle part. I did not want any baby hairs. I never like baby hairs because I love to play around and actually see the lace for what it is. And this lace is great. This is some beautiful, beautiful lace. This is a top-notch, high-quality company, guys. And I genuinely think that if you do not want to just have hair for 6 months, 1 year, if you want to invest in hair that is going to last you years, OMGHerHair is a great company. This is how it ended up looking. I got a 180% density. If you know, on my channel, I love a low density. I just feel that it suits me so much. And this hair is beautiful. I love the length, not too short, not too long. I'm obsessed with that hairline. Do you see how beautiful this unit is? I will have every single detail you need in the description box. If you are looking for high quality, good hair, this is the company for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to click into my description box. And yeah, love you. Bye.